along as I set this up and I will show you all the very cute details about this advent calendar. Here's a close-up of all the pieces that come with this advent calendar. You even have screws there. And you definitely want to follow the instructions on this. You don't want to just start piecing it together right away. I actually tried doing that and realized something is not quite right. So I took it all apart and decided to get the instructions out and follow those along. So when you go to put this back piece in, you want to make sure that the side that has all these different valleys running through here, these different grooves, is facing out, is facing you. You don't want it facing the back. Also, these holes here in the middle, they are not exactly centered. So you're going to want to make sure they are lined up with the holes in the back. See these holes right here? It's not exactly centered with this advent calendar, so you want to make sure that it is not turned the wrong way. From here, you're going to get all of your pieces like this that's got 3 different sections, and you will slide them in and lock them in place. You're going to hear a clicking sound, and that helps you know it's locked in. Now, when you go to put these in, there is one of these has a longer tab, and you're going to want to make sure that is lined up with the longer slot on the advent calendar. And there you have it. It's all put together, and now it's just time to put in the little buckets. So now that I have it all together, I wanted to test it out with some little toys I have around my house, just to show you that these are plenty big. And there you have it. This is the Step 2 Advent Calendar. You can use this year after year, even when your kids are growing up. It has a very nostalgic look to it, so it's not something that's super babyish. Like, it is something that even after your kids have grown out of the Step 2 toys and stuff, this is something you can hold on to as they get older. I guarantee kids will look forward to this every year.